Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Rowe. We're looking in Geometry Part B. This is Lesson 11. We're focusing on number 7. Number 7 is a problem-solving problem. It says, come up with a way to find the area and volume of a football. So now we're talking American football. I know I've had questions about what kind of football are you talking about. We're talking about American football, so it's shaped like this, except it's a three-dimensional shape. And you want to come up with a way to find the area and volume. Now, by area, we're talking surface area, and by volume, we're talking the inside of the object. You want to come up with a formula to find each. So come up with a formula. For the surface area and a formula for the volume. So two things here. This is a 7-point question, so it's very important. Now here's a football. Well, it's an irregular shape. So what do you do with irregular shapes? You break irregular shapes into pieces. So if I look at a football, I'm looking at these parts right here. And I'm not going to give you, I'm just going to give you some advice here. I'm not going to tell you the whole story. But if I break that thing right there into pieces, I've got 3 shapes that I'm pretty comfortable using for my surface area and volume. So now this shape, while it's not a perfect shape, what is it close to? Okay, so find the volume or find the surface area for that shape. Okay, so that's shape 1. But look, we have 2 of those shapes because this shape is the same thing. So we've got 2 of those. And then we've got this figure in the middle. So now again, I'm thinking about what it's closest to. It's not an exact match, but it's very close. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you it's not a sphere. So don't think of this as a sphere. Think of this as another object. And then think about what numbers you need. So find the surface area of shape 2. And then you're going to add those shapes together. You're going to do the same thing for the volume using the same shapes. So go through your formula list. You've got formulas for prisms, you've got formulas for pyramids, you've got formulas for cylinders, you've got formulas for cones, and formulas for spheres that you've looked at. Which ones of those shapes are you going to find these 3 areas and volumes? So use that to come up with just a formula. You don't have to measure anything. You're just writing a formula to use. So now I hope this helps you think about what you have to do in the lesson. Now you go figure out the work and make it happen. Let me know if you need help in a teacher message or making an appointment for a help session.